Hey, so today I am going to be talking about how to add a link to your Google Slides. So there's lots of ways that you can do that. The first way I'm going to show you is probably the most basic way that you're going to do most of the time, and that you're going to insert a text box. And then in the text box, you're going to type in your link. I'm just going to do today google.com. Okay, so when your link starts with this www and ends with the .com or .org, and you just do a space bar, when it turns blue like this right here, you'll know that it's already a link, and you can click on it and it'll go to that link. Well, let's say that your link looks a little different. So I'm now inserting a link that looks like this. It's a link, if you would put it in a website, it'd take you to a quizzes, but is not turning blue. If I click on it, it's not taking me to my quizzes. So what you do in this case is you first do something called selecting it. And when you select something, you just make it turn blue with your mouse. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a little picture of a chain. Now, right now, my picture of a chain is not showing up here. So I'm going to hit this More button, and I'm going to find it right here. See how it says Insert Link? I'm going to click on that. So this is where it says text. That tells me what's going to show up when I insert this link. Then right here, I can put the link. Now, I can type it out, or since I have it copied, I can just hit Paste. Then I hit apply. Well, now it's turning blue and I can click on it. So again, what I did is I hit these little dots right here and it took me to a link. Sometimes your link will show up like right about here. The main thing you are looking for are these chains, the picture of the chains right here. All right, so let's say you want to do something a little different. Let's say you want to have the word award. And the reason I don't usually do this in class is because if the hyperlink's broken or a computer isn't working so well, it will be harder to get to that website. But let's say for whatever you're doing, you want to do a link like this, where you have like the word George and you want them to click on George and it'll take them to the link. So what you're going to do is you're going to, again, select it, highlight it. You're going to go to my picture of a link. And so then I can just put the website right there like that. And so now anytime I click on George, it'll take me to the quizzes. All right. Now, this last one that I probably use the most whenever I'm making Google Slide is to make a picture into a link. So the first thing is I'm going to insert a picture. I can upload it from my computer. So if you see here, like here are some of the pictures I've been using to upload links in school. Or I can search the web. You guys have learned how to upload pictures. You're pros at this. So let's say I want it to be a picture of puppies. So what I'd do is I'd insert the picture, just like normal. Make it the way I want to. And then I'm going to click on the picture. And see how that picture of that chains is right there? It says Insert Link. I'm going to click on that. And then I can put my link there, just like normal. So now anytime I click on this picture, it'll take me to the quizzes. I hope this helps you be able to insert links in your work. Have fun playing around on Google Slides. Bye!